Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a Dell computer. First, ensure your Dell computer has Bluetooth turned on. Next, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the Share button and the PlayStation button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. Then, open your computer's Bluetooth settings, search for New Devices, and select the wireless controller to establish the connection. Alternatively, you can use a simple wired connection. Just plug one end of a micro USB cable into your PS4 controller and the other end into an available USB port on your Dell computer. Your system will typically recognize the controller automatically, installing any required drivers within a few moments. This method provides a very stable connection, ideal for competitive gaming where minimal input lag is crucial. For advanced customization and broader game compatibility, consider using DS4 Windows. This free application allows you to remap buttons, adjust sensitivity, and even use the touchpad as a mouse. After installation, DS4 Windows can make your PS4 controller behave like an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games natively support. This significantly expands the number of titles you can play seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, a few troubleshooting steps can help. First, make sure your Dell computer's Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Sometimes, simply restarting both your PS4 controller and your computer can resolve minor glitches. Also, always ensure your controller has sufficient battery charge before trying to connect. These simple checks often fix most common connection problems, getting you back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.